Hey everyone, what you're seeing here is not a commercial boiler control room or anything like that, but actually a friend of mine built a custom automated shower system and installed it in his own home. So stick around and see it in action. So it's what's it doing now? It's equalizing pressure and temperature.
Yeah.
You got a little off spray right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
This is the internal temperature.
Okay.
This is the temperature coming from
The supply.
this is the cold water supply, I think.
75. That seems a little warm.
Cold, hot, and then output.
Okay, so we're going to 79. Okay, so that's 74 degrees. The supply temperature for your cold water.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And you see the top left?
Yeah, that's
warm.
84.
That's the mixture temperature. That's like the output.
This is output.
That's output. Okay.
And this is the set. That's it's gonna be.
It's going to be 100.
It's gonna top out at 100.
Okay.
That's what it's trying to achieve.
Okay.
It will overachieve.
And then you've got, is that a water pressure gauge?
Yeah,
Yeah,
supply.
duplex. Yeah.
Supply pressure.
Yeah, hot and cold.
Okay.
And then that's the output pressure.
Output pressure to the head?
Yeah.
Okay. And the only thing that's running is the tub spout and which is you're doing the physical,
Right. Yeah.
redirect
Correct.
to the shower head.
Yeah.
So nothing on the shower wall unit is
No,
currently
I
connected.
disabled
You
it.
disabled that, okay. And then I forget the Moen mixing valve
Yeah.
here. If you do that manually,
Yeah.
how does that fit into the system?
It's you can manually control the water flow to the tub spout and thereby the shower head.
Okay.
Using that valve.
You can.
If this fails.
Oh, is that okay?
Yeah.
Gotcha. And what are the two? So volts. What is that? Is that for your
That's just the system voltage.
12?
Yeah, everything pretty much runs on 12.
Runs on 12 volts. So you have an AC to DC converter down to 12 from
Yeah.
120 to 12.
Yeah.
Okay, and that runs.
Yep.
Okay, and that's just running like your gauges and your.
Those temperature controllers all run on line voltage there. But
Okay.
So with the electronic valve. And,
Oh, right. Everything behind the scenes that I'm taping in the closet.
yeah,
Okay.
runs on 12.
Okay, gotcha. And then what do those do?
So the left one is the hot water valve position, and the right one is
The valve position,
Yeah.
where it's actually physically
right.
yeah.
In percent. Yeah.
Okay.
Percent travel.
Very important.
Yeah. Okay. Now go ahead and turn it off. Let me see what that program stop. Okay.
And then just look this way.
Okay, and there everything drops. And then the dinging sound means you're good to turn it off.
Yeah.
Well, unfortunately, one of the reasons I was visiting my friend was to help him tear out this novel shower system that he built. And that's because he got a job transfer and he's moving to a new house. So here you can see a shot of that attic room that's just behind the shower where we tore out all of the materials there. I mean, it's just an unbelievable amount of, copper pipes and wiring and electronics. And here's all the gauges that we pulled out of the actual bathroom or the shower in the front side of things. And like I said, just meters and sensors and all sorts of stuff. that motor that's on the floor there, I got a quick shot of that, but that's a positioning motor. And what's interesting about that is he used that in front of a normal valve, and that motor would actually physically turn it. This is a different valve, just a ball valve that he had with a different motor on it, but he actually used a socket as a motor sleeve that would actually physically turn the ball valve back and forth. I thought that was pretty cool. And after we tore out the front wall, you could see here that we just basically reinstalled a standard, Moen mixing valve and tub and shower thing there. I had to kind of repair a lot of drywall and plaster. This is a really old Craftsman house, and I was able to match it up to the drywall. This back wall here, again, just sealed it up and put some green board in. I was able to carefully remove some of those tiles that had holes in them, and we're just going to replace those tiles. Luckily, that tile is still being sold, and he's able to get more of that. And then finally, the back wall was actually an exterior wall, so I insulated that, and I carefully removed the tile and reframed and reboarded it up there too. That actually is a 72-inch tub, so if there no moisture or anything really got back there because of how long that tub was in that old house. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.